Up for sale today, I got a 1967 Chevelle Real Super Sport 138 VIN convertible, number matching 396. 396, 350 horsepower. It received a relatively recent rotisserie frame-off restoration. About 1,000 miles since it was restored. It's got the rally wheels with the red line, 4-speed, bucket seats, red console. I got a full flash drive of the whole restoration filled with all the pictures. Everything works. Restored back to the very nice factory condition that it was when it came out of the factory, I guess, if you want to say. Also has a power convertible top. Or a few thousand miles, not 1,000 miles, excuse me. 70,000 original miles. We have the bonnet. We have carpet mats for it. The trunk is very clean, very detailed. The undercarriage is gorgeous. It'll be for sale soon. So keep an eye out on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, or on eBay. Both links are in my description, so you can just go straight there from this video. We also have all the receipts for the restoration. Look at the body, the laser straight. Power steering, power disc brakes. It was a very high quality restoration, and I traded a Corvette for it, so that's how I got this beauty. The guy owned Corvettes all of his life. He got this. He was like, oh, I want a Corvette again. The only real thing wrong with the car, which really isn't wrong, you know, it's missing the ashtray here. So I don't know what happened, and the window, the thing, but you know, I could replace them. So, you know, don't consider that as something wrong with the car. They're not very expensive, and I can order them online in a minute. I just wanted to get this bad boy on as soon as possible, show all of you the gorgeous car that Next Gen has. There are really no flaws in the paint, no chips, no scratches. Like I said, number matching 396, 350 horsepower, power brakes and power steering. So here you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It'll be for sale soon, priced right on eBay. And here's a driving video.